Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Very important class on lecture. My class today's very important class. How to Google advertise on Google. Step by step Google advertising. Advertise on Google. Very important part. Your any business, large business, small business. Very important platform on Google. The best guideline of how to advance on advertise on Google. Establish on your account goal. Determine your audience. Contract your keyword research. Set budget and build your optional account and setting. Write and high performance ad. Create an effective landing page and important conversion. The advertise on Google and for free. Google advertise on for free within the useful content, great attributes and manufacturing reviews. Mention specific and your Google My Business description. Mention specific pros of on your website and performance local SEO, local search optimization list for your business and directs and publish unique and created and the lot of the how to get free advertising on Google by lot of system. The Google provide and grow your business with your Google ads great into customer when you the search and business like as shown your Google search and maps. You pray result like and can then website call then your business just start now. Just start now. Show off when you people search your on to your offer. Google with his search without an oil to go and words by you can appear on Google. Their very moment some in look product service like your when you then desktop mobile and voice and travel people able to just Google start now and ads.google.com the search on Google search bar by any browser just ads.google.com. You can provide the suggestion your the great result that meta to do and drive your website visitor get more phone call including store visitor. Start the budget then work from your business. Google ads give you control over the advertising budget. Set monthly budget cap and the never go over the fish and your adjust budget. The partner with Google with friends and right customer. Your Google ad can be reach more relevance and get more customer with the Google ads. Just start now. The beginner's guide the steps set up the Google ads and improve your description sales your product sales. This in most causes the customer will rank quick Google search when you want to buy a specific product or service. The Google platform high population and global visit website when can customer run products search and highlight that you will find targeted advertising that many influencer their process. The selling may be no better utilized in Google Ads and improve and description business in this dictionary and how will then and Google Ad works, which is Google Ads are the best your description visit and then using Google Ads how to convert the customer from Google Ad. The understanding ads on Google. Google Ads is an online advertising performance and the manufacturer who is are the rich customer and aided business. There are the simple user platform, the e-commerce and drop shipping business and other work. This is shows and customer who search the products and diversion. Google Ads easy to add persons and the potentially step in a customer search product and service essential phone and customer. Google Ads is a development in order to aim and maximum convert the potential buyer to invaluable customer. Google Ads is a paid advertising platform which make and channel however pay per click approach and your business only pay the click and impression and your ads. How to create and add in optional customer view to product service. Google the requirement and this the identify your business and goal niche. The by identify your business goal and the niche. Google create and tailor your ads and extension business result regulars. Consider who has done including and business discussion on about this is the decline, which is the performance global and local reach. The help and Google identify where is the place your ads ensure the reach and the right place and the customer. Business now on social media site, Facebook ads, Instagram ad, run your the base and ad. Create your own message. Google are the customer maximum monthly in Egypt. The go live, ascend the set and Google resumes and these. Choose your tracks and option and the search and tracks audience. Create Google and campaign easily and this in search campaign, discover campaign, video campaign, shopping campaign, in apps campaign, local campaign, smart campaign. Are on the Google right and the description business. Google ads and the right you do dropshipping business if you promote goal and increase sale possibility and target in the Google ads and ins the smart and those and can help and customer make and trade and sell and the products in search and customer searching and products in this. The Google platform always search platform customer view going and the targeted and Google ads enable business please paid ads and search engine result page and business only pay for the ads page and pay per click PPC base and online advertising active the most visitor website and planner 90% Google ads reach and interaction which and ads the 50-60% companies that like clicking the ads on Google. The trading your ads. Google ads the resume and ads specific consideration which is practice and this online reviews ads and shows the potential customer brands and base and niche delivers which is result Google ads. Google ads and recommend knowledge and local and this then delivers the Google ads always business the content cost on days and specific many Google and fright of the company shows and mothers and this and success man and simple man challenging and Google ad and campaign with cooperation. There are primary from aim Google ads is sure the say and campaign business much on activities search and that's ad. The opportunities campaign after the launch your Google ad campaign is the creating an option campaign the make and effort business content test and keywords adjust and then emulate and in person. The driving and usually the console and etc etc. Drive people from the partners networks and Google. Google ad is the advertising on Google advertising on Google try a free always the free advertising and this grow your business within the Google ads show up when people search why to your offer grade the result then and matter you set the budget that work from your business the partner with Google find the risk customer get more customer within Google ads. The pay per click again including the best Google ad and alarm advertising without the pay per click freeze and platform always targeting speak and nose and reset and Google advertising the optimized campaign maximum need picture and include pay per click freeze unlimited check clickers easy to user unlimited impression budget find advertising targeted keyword advertising cost service. The campaign. A campaign always the promote your product to service. Google is network, search result, website, videos, mobile apps, map, shopping, interesting. Choose your campaign type based your advertising object, brand, and target, which is time and invitation. Each campaign type has the content targeted and for the example search campaign and video campaign and shopping campaign, etc., etc. Is a special note on as a Google earn easy use and on process new Google ads usually maximum export update work from this content below partner. Google ads use have already create and Google account ad accounts. Select your advertising object, choose your goal and Google accounts and campaign. Click the campaign, draw and select. Click campaign, click the button, new campaign, and select campaign type and about conversion goal. Select campaign type, the search text and ads search result, display image ads and website, videos ads and YouTube, shopping product image and Google's discovery advertising with on the feeds, promote your apps and many channel, local promote on local many channel, smart Shopify and conversion, performance max, find the value and customer. Thank you friends. I'm details just I'm a step by step total guideline of how to advertise on Google. I can just points including my videos. How does in the Google advertising work? Google just for Google advertising in orders the pay per click and your views and Google ads on the below benefits. Just point in my clothing. Campaign type, placement type and option, bidding type, ranks vectors, smart and modes, smart and expert modes, how to Google on smart mode and expert modes, do your billing, your targeted audience, your budget, your unique selling point, relevance keyword and relevance high tech, create on Google Ads account, create call more website, write your ads and select keyword themes. Choose your graphics, geographics, performance and set your budget, review and apply analytic and your strategy. How to advance on Google expert mode. The 9 Google expert mode. Choose your object, defensive campaign settings, set your budget and bidding, discuss your addition, create and keywords, content your ads including and confirm. Then on our website, use the sales, lead, traffic, products, brand, and brand awareness, reach, approach, and local store. Then the defense of campaign types, search, Promax, and display video apps, smart discover shopping. Discover your campaign, campaign names, network, location, language, audience targeted. Set your budget bill, then the discover and relation option, and create your ad groups and add and your keyword, Google keyword match, keyword planner, customer your ad for search ads, display ad, videos and shopping ad, and incomplete cognition, the shrinking and clouding location, etc. The confirm parameter your launch, simple Google ads and with your how much and cost on Google, how to Google and phrase. To advertise in Google, this cost in advertise Google will in very different keywords. So friends, I am the step guide, how to guideline step to step then your videos and Google on advertising. Thank you, best of luck.